Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about a new Jupiter airdrop and show you how to get JUP tokens in just a few simple steps. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video, it really supports the channel. I try to find strong and early crypto opportunities as fast as possible, projects that could potentially strengthen your crypto portfolio. As you know, the crypto airdrop space is massive and full of value, and skipping opportunities like this often means missing out on free rewards. Now, I'll briefly explain what this airdrop is about and then walk you through the token claiming process using my own wallet as an example. The official participation link will be available in the video description. Official website, jups-network.com. Be careful and avoid fake websites. Jupiter is the leading decentralized exchange aggregator on the Solana blockchain, acting as a central hub for efficient token swaps by routing trades through multiple liquidity pools to secure the best possible prices. Jupiter is evolving into a full DeFi ecosystem that includes lending, perpetual trading, and governance, all powered by its native JUP token, which enables community voting. It is a critical piece of infrastructure for the Solana DeFi space, offering features such as dollar cost averaging, limit orders, and large-scale airdrops designed to expand its user base. Now let's move on to claiming the tokens. First, make sure you already have some SOL in your wallet, as on-chain activity is required to meet the eligibility criteria. Next, go to the official website, jups-network.com, which is linked in the video description. After that, connect the wallet that is most active and has already interacted with the Solana network. During the connection process, a confirmation window will appear, approve it, and wait for the tokens to be credited to your wallet. I strongly recommend not missing this opportunity and taking part in this airdrop, as it's an excellent way to increase your crypto holding. If you run into any issues, leave a comment under the video and I'll be happy to help. Good luck.